When questioning a doctor at a deposition, why is it critical to be totally familiar with every detail in the record? Do you want to learn the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. When you question a doctor at a deposition, you literally have to go through and understand exactly what occurred. You have to know the medicine. You have to understand every single note that's in the hospital record or in the doctor's chart. And the reason why is because you have to be able to frame the questions to get answers from the doctor that explains not just why he did what he did, but whether or not certain things are within accepted medical standards. And in order to understand that, you have to be totally familiar with the medical records and with the medicine. If an attorney goes in and he or she is not familiar with that, he's going to be at a significant disadvantage. Why is that? Because the doctor is the medical expert. And the doctor will be able to run circles around any attorney who's not totally familiar with the medicine involved in that particular case. So that's why it is absolutely vital for the attorney, when they go in to question a doctor at his question and answer session that is sworn under oath, that he be fully familiar with every single detail in the case. One of the things I like to do during a doctor's deposition, in fact, the very first question I ask, is the key question in the entire case. Doctor, why did you remove this patient's leg? If it would be he removed the wrong leg. Doctor, explain to us why you gave this injection. Doctor, explain to us why you pulled the wrong tooth. So for me personally, I like to get right to the heart of the case with the very first question. Other attorneys instead take the traditional route, which is, doctor, tell us about your credentials. Where did you go to school? Where did you graduate from? Where did you do your postgraduate training? And that's fine, but you're going to get that anyway. I like to do something a little bit different that gets right to the heart of the case. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this just to give you an insight and an understanding into how the legal process works here in the state of New York. Chances are you're watching this video, you want more information about how your particular matter might work if you bring a case. I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me if your matter happened here in the state of New York. I welcome your call. And you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.